Hey everyone, I'm going to show you quickly how to clean out the turbine area of this Hayward Navigator. So let's go ahead and get started. This is a very simple process, but all you need here is a number 2 Phillips head, and we're going to remove 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this one right here, and that's going to give us access to the turbine area to clean out all the extra debris you can't get out of your finger. So let's go ahead and get started. I always remove this one first. That will allow you to remove this right here. So now we can start to see into the turbine area, but we're gonna remove this part here and give us some greater access. Now we're just scratching the surface in this thing. There's a lot more you can get into and remove here, but we're gonna do just a very basic thing here that will allow us to clean this area out. This particular client just had a bunch of roofing done on our house, so this vacuum sucked up a bunch of stuff and wasn't really working all that well. Plenty of suction in the vacuum, so I suspect there's plenty of things in here. So then from there we just pull this out. That gives us the access here to the turbine area. So there's a bunch of leaves in here. So one thing we can do is go ahead and just tap that out. There's really not a lot in here that would cause us to stop moving. Some shells. I cleaned this out last week as well, and there's a bunch of rubber pieces and also some pieces of decking and stuff. So I had a pressure wash as well, but that's essentially it. That's all you do. I'm going to clean this off right here. This is all clean, moving freely, so that's good to go. All we do is put this back together. Now this is the A-frames right here, so you just want to make sure those align with the turbine. Pop it back in, and now all we're going to do is go in reverse. So we're going to just take these screws, put them back in here. If you ever use a power drill or anything like that, just be careful with the screws, because you don't want to over torque these and possibly damage or break the plastic. Tighten this one down as well. And then we just last piece, there's little grooves right here, and there's grooves right here for those 2 pieces. So we just slide that in, and then just tighten this down. And again, you don't want to over tighten this, and that's it. So that's how you access the turbine area on a Hayward Navigator. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, check out more videos. Have a good day, everyone.